Okay guys, this is Ricky. I'm coming to you from our schoolie converted school bus called the Nordic Dream, and we're down here in Hackberry, Louisiana, enjoying this fine winter sunshine. And let me tell you, it's a great place to be. Now I wanted to talk to you about the DJI Mini 2 drone. I love it, man. I just got it. This thing is so cool. It takes awesome pictures, awesome videos. But there's a couple of things that you really need to know about this drone. So one of the features is it comes with this, if you get the combo like I did, it comes with 3 batteries and this awesome charging hub. So you can plug your charger cord into here and charge all 3 of these things and let them charge up. And also this thing you can unplug the other end and plug it into your phone and charge your phone from these batteries. Yeah, that's really cool. But one thing you need to know is these batteries are not your typical batteries. These are some fancy smancy batteries. And so once these things charge all the way, they need to start discharging. So if you're not going to use them, you really need to take them out of here and just leave them out and let them use a feature that they have built in that allows them to discharge slowly to a safe level. They don't like to be stored fully charged. The batteries can swell, they can rupture, so you don't want to damage your batteries, and that's something new to me. So make sure that after you charge them up, you take these batteries out. Do not store them in this thing fully charged, and do not store them in your drone fully charged. So if you have them in there and they're fully charged, just take them out. Okay, the next thing that you need to know is this gimbal camera here. This thing is awesome. You can be zooming around with this thing and the image stays locked on. You don't get the little movement that you get with cheaper drones. The old Ruko F11 that I had, I thought it was cool, but this thing here, I mean, this thing here, this is like, I can't even explain it. It's so cool. So this thing here, it's got its own stabilization deal in here. It's all mounted on this little rubber thing, but it's you need to make sure that this thing stays clear and clean. I landed in the yard yesterday on some hard packed dirt, and no big deal. You know, it wasn't real dusty or anything. It just landed. But then this morning, whenever I went to use it, I took it up in the air, and the camera was like jittery, and I couldn't use the gimbal to look down or look up. It just stayed fixed, so it wasn't working. So I was like, oh man, I just broke another drone. My wife's gonna kill me. So I took this thing, I went and watched the video, and they're just susceptible to sand. Yeah, I said susceptible, whatever. It's gets dirty in there. It don't want to work right. So that's why you got the little protector that goes on there, and that's important to keep that on there. But also make sure your takeoff and landing is not in a dusty place. Now, what did I do whenever that happened? It was frozen. Maybe that happened to you. Maybe yours is frozen and you're watching this video and you're like, hurry up and tell me how to fix it. Well, it wasn't any like super complicated thing. I didn't have to take it apart or anything, but I did turn the drone on. I turned it on, and once you turn it on, you can watch this thing. If it's working right, it will stay in a fixed position, like a bird or something, how their head stays in one spot, And so what I had to do was I just had to kind of wiggle it around a little bit, play with it a little bit, until finally it cleared up. I blew in there a little bit. You really don't want to blow with any moisture, so I should have used some canned air, but I didn't have any. So I just blew in there, wiggled it around each way until finally it started working. So that's what I did. So just remember those things. Have fun. I hope you enjoy it like I do.